Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanelo, so I'm back again with indaba sala ku Betway Premiership. Amathema amaningi ayathenga engabeka iTeam iyathenga na. Zoqala ngeindaba ke ishisayo iphume namhlanje bafethu, ngiyakhumbula kizola I made a video regarding uFawaz Basadini. Actually bengaqala ukushaya ivideo ngoFawaz Basadini Mamelodi Sundowns. Umjito ubelinked with Mamelodi Sundowns kuleli windi. Since ekuqaleni kwaleli windi umjito ubelinked with iSundowns, yabo. Nazi ke indaba seyiphumile la kuthiwa Mamelodi Sundowns isi-reachile agreement with i-defender leStellenbosch to sign umdlali. Kuthiwa ke ifee yakhe umjita ayikavezwa, but ke uBasadini bafethu will join iMamelodi Sundowns kule season entsha ezoqala. Khumbulani ukuthi iStellenbosch vele yaseyazi ukuthi uFawaz Basadini uzohamba basayina idefender elisha eliqhamuka le eBelgium. So lo amshudo uqhamuka le eBelgium uzovala isikhala sakhe uBasadini lapha. Ukhona futhi noOmega Mdaka umjita uyadlala ngempela, so lawo badlali labazozama ukuvala isikhala sakhe uBasadini. Ngiyayithanda ngempela into eyenziwa iStellenbosch. iStellenbosch, each and every player they sell, they know how to replace that player. Yabo amathimba amaningi la ku Betway Premiership ashawile yonto. There are many teams la ku Betway Premiership afile ebulawa ukusayina kwabadlali nokudayiswa kwabadlali. When you sell your best player, you must replace that player with a quality defender. We saw Stellenbosch idayisa uVan Rooyen. They replaced uVan Rooyen with a quality player. Let's hope uzofika shine ke bafethu uFawaz Basadini kuMamelodi Sundowns. I don't think uzosheshe asithole ischeme lapha. Kunzima. I'm not saying ngeza sithole. Yabo, he's a good defender, plays for the national team. I think yena vele uzosithola ischeme, yes. But when you look at the competition we will face there, yabo khona bo Modiba, khona bo Aseko T1, khona abo Divine Lunga, kukhona yabo, there are many talented players. We saw Divine Lunga kwi Club World Cup, he was very good. So it will be a tricky thing for uFawaz Basadini, but ke I trust umjita uzokwazi ukuphula up amasocks akhe akwazi ukufightela ischeme lapho kwiMamelodi Sundowns, angabi lost in the system, because we've seen many players signing for Sundowns kuvele kuphele ngama careers abo. Let's hope yena uzofika shine umjita, because siyamdinga lapha kwi Bafana siyodlala lapha ngo December kwi AFCON, so siyabadinga labadlali lapha. Kwezinye zeindaba ngisakuyona nje iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns idefender layo uRoshan Dirok, menikhumbula kahle ke la season umjita wayeloniwe kwiclub yale Israel, usebuyile ke namhlanje la eSouth Africa. iSundowns idecide ukuthi imlone futhi le kwiSimba SC. Menikhumbula kahle ke iSimba SC ile club le coach uFaldo Davids yaseTanzania. It looks like iMamelodi Sundowns ya offloada ngempela kule season le. Umjita ngempela la season kahle uRoshan Dirok umdlali vele ojwayele ukuhlushwa ama-injury. Yabo icareer yakhe kwiSundowns ayibanga yinhle ngoba ama-injury ayemhlupha kakhulu umjita. Let's hope uzofika lapha eTanzania akwazi ukubuyisa italent lakhe, because umjita unetalent, inkinga ushaya ama-injury. Ngisakuyona futhi iSundowns ingakahambi nje. iMamelodi Sundowns ikhiphile futhi omunye umbiko regarding uNeo Maema. uNeo Maema naye uyahamba futhi uyojoyina iSimba SC. Angazi lo budlalelwano beSundowns neSimba SC buqhamukaphi, but ke iSundowns ngempela yaba offloada labajita ibayisa le eTanzania bayophamisa iStandard sebhola saseTanzania. Bafuna ukubalona la kuBetway Premiership, bathatha iquality bayisa le eTanzania. Angazi ngizwe kanjani ngale indaba. Ngangitshela ama comments, how do you feel about lento enzo iSundowns ithatha ama quality players ekubeni mhlambe ingawalona kulama team asathanda promote, or maybe go Durban City what, but they are taking these players and they are going to promote kwenye league. Maybe there's a deal yenziwe iSimba SC, maybe Sundowns wants umdlalo odlala kwiSimba SC, you'll never know. Yabo, you might see a player coming from iSimba joining Mamelodi Sundowns in the transfer window. Izinto mazima kanje, yabo, cause ngeke le deal le, these deals are random. These are random deals nje out of nowhere. iSimba SC isithole ama 2 quality players from Mamelodi Sundowns, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba ephume namhlanje bafethu, iSikhukhune United have confirmed the signing of midfielder uTsepo Matsimbi from iBlack Leopards. Umjita ngempela uyadlala, is a high rated player. iSikhukhune United sithole umdlalo wangempela la. I hope umjita uzofika shine kweSikhukhune United. Kwezinye izindaba esivuke ngazo namhlanje bafethu, zakhelele pasa uZakes namhlanje bafethu, Orlando Pirates confirmile ukuthi umjita he will no longer be an Orlando Pirates player. Indaba engekho zinhle lezi for ama-fans Orlando Pirates. I remember this guy, he was really struggling with ama-injuries. Yabo, but ke umjita mumfaka egamini wayedlala ngempela. I remember the season where Jose Rivera was coaching his second season Orlando Pirates. This guy was very good. Yabo, his first 5 games for Orlando Pirates, he scored hat-tricks. I think he scored 2 hat-tricks for Orlando Pirates. He was really good. Ama-injury kafika ambulala umjita, angazi kwenzakalani, but ke I hope umjita uzobounce back There are teams la ku-Betway Premiership angafuni ukumsayina. Yabo, maybe Kaizer Chiefs, maybe Durban City, but I see Durban City a good team engamsayina uZakhelele Pass. Wangitshela ama-comments which team should sign uZakhelele Pass because umjidi uyi-quality inkinga ama-injury same as uRashid Dirok. Kwezinye zey'ndaba ey'phumile namhlanje ke bafethu iGolden Arrows iconfirme ama-signings wayo. Signing yokuqala abayiconfirmile namhlanje istriker bedlalela amaZulu uJunior Dion. Umjida ke bafethu ube striker sangempela kumaZulu, udlala ama-games ayi-47 wakora ama-goals ayi-14 with ama-assist ayi-2. Iphindile futhi iGolden Arrows yaconfirm omunye umdlali abamsayinile. Lo mdlali lo bafethu uqhamuka weKruger United, udefender leli Osborne Maluleke. I hope uzofika ashayine lapha kwiGolden Arrows. Manqoba bamnqethe ngathi uyaphaya ngempela. Look at the players is signing. Omunye wabadlali ozojoyina iGolden Arrows bafethu umdlali oqhamuka le eIvory Coast uOmo Komara usayine for iGolden Arrows una 24 years old. Abafana besithende they are cooking something, we don't know, but ke it seems like they are cooking something. Another confirmed signing eqhamuka kuyona iGolden Arrows bafethu uSanele Radebe. Kwezinye zey'ndaba Orlando Pirates iphinde yathola esinye isponsor futhi. Le sponsor ke lesiqhamuka kutshwala. Remember Orlando Pirates yayisponsor show Black Label ngaphambilini. Angazi kwenzakalani ngaleyo deal leyo, but it seems like Orlando Pirates is no longer sponsored by Black Label. Amstel will be the new sponsor of Orlando Pirates. Yabo, adding to the number of sponsors Orlando Pirates esiwatholile. So far Orlando Pirates isethole Amstel neSuzuki kule season. Maybe amanye ama-sponsors asazofika azosponsorsha iOrlando Pirates. Ama-team ku-Betway Premiership kumele enze kahle khona ezothola ama-sponsors. I-league yethu kumele ibe right khona izothola ama-sponsors. Premier League njengoba iyinhle kanje, iPremier League njengoba inswempu kanje, iLa Liga njengoba iyinhle kanje inswempu. It's because leya league leya inama-sponsors amaningi. Ukubona nje mekudlala iPremier League, you see a lot of adverts. Yabo wabona be-advertise la because i-league iyabuka kakhulu, into umibuka kakhulu ithola ama-sponsors. So Orlando Pirates enza kahle bafethu, let's hope amanye ama-team ku-Betway Premiership bazobona i-example from ama-team amakhulu enza kahle. Kwezinye zey'ndaba engingayithandanga bafethu, umdlali weKaizer Chiefs uGeorge Motlow, menikhumbula kahle ke lo mjida lo career yakhe kwiKaizer Chiefs ayibanga mnandi, wahlushwa kakhulu ama-injury. Umjida was tipped ukuthi uzoyishiya iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, at the beginning of this transfer window there were rumors circulating ukuthi uzoyishiya iKaizer Chiefs, but ke uNabi wakhuluma nawo umdlali. There were verbal agreement with uNabi ukuthi kumele ahlale kwiKaizer Chiefs, but ke so far uhambile ne-team umjida shy preseason in Netherlands. So far akayisayini i-contract. It seems like there is no formal offer yet from iKaizer Chiefs. Asazi, it seems like umjida we will leave iKaizer Chiefs as a free agent. So far izona indaba engizwayo lezi kuthi umjida akakasayini lutho. Kuba usesayinile phela ngabe sesibonile iKaizer Chiefs iconfirm ukuthi no, the guy will stay. Kwezinye zey'ndaba ey'phume namhlanje kuthiwa iChippa United have secured the services of Eric Mbongosum. Lo mjida lo bafethu uqhamuka le eChad, una 25 years old, usesayine a 2-year deal with iChippa United. I see what they cooking with iChippa United. Let's hope le ndaba ayiphekayo izovuma. Bafethu ningakhohlwa ukungifollowisha na Instagram, sengatholakala nguVane Sports, uVane VANE_. Ama-followers ami mancane, ungaxwayeki because i-account entsha le ngisathanda kuyi-creator. Lenye account endala enesithombe sami ngaphandle ungayifollowishi, followa le account le bafethu ene-page la Vane Sports la. Ngiyabonga bafethu for i-support enginayo yona. Ngizama ukubuyisa ama-followers ami, angisenayo i-password le account. So ama-followers ami ungaxwayi umubuno emancane kanje. Mungifollowisha, I'll try to follow you back. Ngiyabonga kakhulu nge-support eninginayo yona. Ningakhohlwa futhi naka-YouTube ushaye subscribe lapha uma ufuna ukubona i-content yebhola la South Africa.